Hi traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and Try. In today's video, it is a review of Bank Nifty dated 20th July 21. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. We'll see for today's chart what are the key price points. First we will see S1. This is the S1 trend line. This is the previous day low trend line. This is S2 trend line. See how beautifully these two lines, these two prices has been given by the CPR. That is the power of CPR. The candle is opened below S1 and immediately after the fourth candle it is broken S2 level, then it came down to bearishness. That is what our CPR indicates. Today's CPR is the descending CPR, means today's CPR is below the previous day CPR, that is the descending CPR. It indicates bearish market. See, clearly it has told today is the bearish market. Also, today's CPR is narrow CPR. It indicates trending day. See how it is trended from here to here in a single direction. CPR opening trick opened below S1. It also indicates it is a bearish market. Today's market has given opportunity for both non-directional traders. You can set up a straddle or a strangle with proper adjustment and close monitoring because of the premiums. Then for the directional traders can take a bearish view in the market. Just see, from here to here it is a bearish market. Make a proper trade setup, then trade with no fear and no greed. You will see the MACD also, it is below the zero lines, both the lines below the zero lines, and it is indicating bearish and sideways movement. You see, it is a bearish and sideways movement throughout the day. You will see the RSI also, it is below trading, showing below 40 only up to here, then sideways. So RSI also supported the traders to take a market view. Keep your trading as simple as possible. We are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturdays and Sunday to learn and earn. My contact number is 96 866 85157. Thank you.